drop it.
Hello everyone, in this video today we are going to learn about how to install TERMUX in PC. So we are going to open BLUESTACKS. If it doesn't install the BLUESTACKS, please do watch my previous video where you are going to know how to install BLUESTACKS. Yeah, now we are into the BLUESTACKS. Come into library, Google Play Store. Search for TERMUX, enter. Yeah, this is the TERMUX. Click on install. Now the TERMUX has been started installing. Yeah, now it's installing. It will take a couple of seconds to get installed. Now the TERMUX installation has been finished. We have to open it. Yeah, we have got our TERMUX installed. First we have to update, so that type apt up update, and apt upgrade. Click enter. Now the TERMUX is being upgraded. Yeah, click continue, enter. Use it as full screen. Yeah, the installation is process. Now click on install SL. SL is the command which let you to know if the TERMUX is installed properly or not. Type SL. This moving train of the algorithms say you that the TERMUX is been installed properly. Yeah, now drag the window down, end the TERMUX session, exit. Yeah, this is our home page of the BLUESTACKS, where we can find our TERMUX APK. If we minimize, we have gotten shortcut in the Windows also. And thank you for watching the video.